The 140 Canton Fair is coming soon. We have many surprises waiting for you. We are the leading manufacturer of bakery equipment in China more than 30 years. Our main product is food mixers, spiral mixers, deck ovens, and other food processing machinery. This year, we will flame more new products to make our product heating scale new heights. The Canton Fair is the great opportunity for us to connect and collaborate with customers worldwide. And we are looking forward to meeting you. Don't forget to follow our social media. We will provide more information about our product and our factory to you. Canton Fair, Gilboa Share. We are Golden Chef.